the Generation 2 Plasticon review! Woohoo! On the Autobot Cybertronian base, they are preparing to ship some supplies. Suddenly, they are interrupted by Astro Train. Deep within the city comes out Blitzwing. To the Autobots' demise, Sandstorm comes to the rescue. As Blitzwing tries to help out Astro Train, he is interrupted by Broadside. What happens to the Autobots are in your hands. Generation 2 Transformers, brought to you by Hasbro. Some assembly required, vehicles and figures sold separate. The year is 1993, and Hasbro has yet to give up on the Triple Changer line, coming at you with Generation 2 Sandstorm. Generation 2 Sandstorm has now ditched his entire motif of the orange and black and gone with this crazy, screaming green with this blue and white. The transformation is absolutely identical to your Generation 1. There literally is no differences here whatsoever. But when you finally get him transformed into robot mode, he actually looks fairly cool. All the color placement seems to work very well with this bot. He absolutely screams Generation 2 in this way. Moving on to transforming him into his buggy mode, it's actually a simple conversion. It's very cool and it works very well. But once you get him in buggy mode, it is clear that this is G2. With these screaming colors under the crazy lighting, he just absolutely looks just divine to anybody that is a G2 collector. Well, this has been Plasticon, and this has been yet another Generation 2 review. You guys tune in. I'm going to end up having some more. I'll catch you guys next time.